Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DBJ3. This is class 10 CBSE Mathematics. We are using NCERT book to solve chapter wise. Today's sessions we are learning the third chapters, pair of linear equations in two variable, exercise 3.2 and questions number 2. Today's sessions we will learn question number 2. Before going to start today's session, I am requesting you all, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates, please press bell icon button. If you want to know others video, please press I button and go through the others video. Okay, now let me start today's session. This is question number 2 of exercise 3.2. Okay, this is question number 2 of exercise 3.2. On comparing the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersecting at a point are parallel or coincident. Okay, question asks to check whether these linear equations are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincidence. And for this we already discussed in the introduction part of these chapters, in the first video of these chapters. If you have gone through that, that means it is easy to solve. Otherwise, if you want to know the basic, please go to the first video of these chapters. For small recap, I will give you the same thing, which is easy to understand these questions. Okay. Now, standard equation of these two variables is a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equals to 0, and this is equation 1. a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equals to 0, this is equation 2. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, then a1 b1 c1. These are a1, b1, coefficient of x and y, and c1 is a constant. Similarly, a2, b2, coefficient of x and y from equation 2, then c2 is a constant. Okay, from equation 1, we will get the value of a1, b1, c1, and from equation 2, we will get the value of a2, b2, c2. If there is no number in front of x, then in that case we will use value as 1. Okay, value as 1, but don't use the variable, only use the number. If there is no number, please remember the 1 is always there with the variable. And while writing the value of ABC, write with their proper sign. Sign is very important. Okay, and after getting the ratios of these equations, after getting the ratio of this equation, if the ratio shows a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then if the relation is this one, if the ratios are not same, this a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the equations are intersect at a point. Or, and same relation is another name is there, consistent or unique solutions. Okay, unique solution. Then if the ratios are like this, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but is not equals to c1 by c2. Okay, but not equals to c1 by c2. That means the ratio of a1 by a2 and b1 by a2 is same, but which is not same with c1 by c2. And then the equations are called parallel lines. Okay, an equation called parallel lines are inconsistent. It is consistent, but it is inconsistent and no solutions. Okay, then if the relation is like this, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, that means all three ratios are same, then equations are called coincidence. Coincidence line are consistent or many solutions. Okay, now by getting the value of a, b, c from these equations, getting the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 from this one, we will check their ratio. If the ratio comes this one, then we will write intersecting lines. Then this is graphical name. Okay, intersecting means graphical name. Then another name is consistent, and their solution name is unique solutions. Okay, solution name is unique solution. Then if the ratio is like this, the first two ratios are same and third ratio is not same with this first two ratios, then the graphical name is parallel lines. Okay, geometrical name or graphical name is parallel lines, and this another name is called inconsistent, and solution name is no solution. If you solve this type of equation, you will never get the value of x and y. For this type of equation, you will get the value of x and y exactly 1. Okay, one value of x and one value for y. Then if the ratio is this type, then the graphical name is coincidence lines. That means both the line passes through the same points. Then it is another name is called consistent and many solutions. If you solve this type of equations, we will get the many solutions. It depends on us how many solutions we want to find. Okay. Now these are the basic things to solve this kind of questions, and this is also simple questions. Now we will solve that questions on the base of these relations. Okay. Now from each equations, from each sub questions, we will get the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Okay. From equation 1, we will get the value of a1, b1, c1, and from equation 2, we will get the value of a2, b2, c2. When writing the value, please write with their proper sign. Okay, this is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, a1, this is a1, the number in front of x or coefficient of x. These are called coefficient. The number in front of x is of a1 plus 5, then b1 minus 4, coefficient of y minus 4, then c1 is plus 8. While writing the value, please write with your proper sign. From equation 2, we will get a2 plus 7, then b2 plus 6, and c2 minus 9. Now after getting the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, now get their ratio. Okay, ratio of a1 by a2, a1 by a2, a1 by a2, 5 by 7, then b1 by b2 minus 4 by 6. We can cancel, their common factor is there, minus 2 by 3. Now check this ratio. If this ratio are same, then only get the values for c1 by c2. Okay, ratio of c1 by c2, otherwise no need to find a third ratio. Now this ratio implies 7 by 5 minus 2 by 3, they are not same. If they are not same, then we will write the ratio in this form. Okay, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 ratio is not equals to b1 by b2. Okay, if the first ratio is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then what kind of equation is there? What kind of lines is this one? This is it is, okay, I write below here. It is, therefore it is intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting at the points. Okay, if you want to draw this kind of graph, this kind of equations, then you will get this type of graph. This is x-axis, y-axis. We will get this type of graph. They intersect at a point. Okay, this is the graph of two equations, and they intersect at a point. And this type of graph is called intersecting lines. This is the geometrical name, and and same thing if another name is there, it is called consistent also. Okay, and if you question asks to write a solution name, then unique solutions. Okay, this name is also called, another name is consistent. Then solution name is unique solution. Solution name is unique solution. Unique solution. Okay. Now let's do the same thing for question number 2. Solve questions 2. Equation 1, equation 2. A1 is how much? A1 B1 C1 plus 9. B1 is how much? Plus 3. C1 is how much? Plus 12. Then A2 is how much? Plus 18. B2 is how much? Plus 6. This is Y. Then C2 is how much? Plus 94. You can do directly from here also. 9 by 18, 1 by 2, because 9 on the 9, 9 2 is 18. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. By 12 by 24, 1 by 2. That means all the ratios are same. Now check it. A1 by A2. A1 is how much? Plus 9 by plus 18, that is 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2. B1 by B2. B1 is how much? 3 by 6. Cancel it. 1 by 2. Then C1 by C2. If these two ratios are same, then only get the third ratio. C1 by C2. 12 by 24. 1 by 2. That means all three ratios are same. Here, all three ratios are same. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Then what kind of line is this one? If the all three ratios are same, what kind of line is this one? Coincidence line. Therefore, it is coincident lines. Coincidence lines means both the line passes through the same points. If you want to draw the graph of this one, then if the one line is passes through this way, another line also passes through the same line. That means the graph of two equations is same. Okay, and this is also called consistent, and their solution name is many solutions. Okay, their solution name is many solutions, infinitely large number of solutions. Now third one is there. Third one is there, get the value of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. A1, how much is plus 6. B1, how much is there? Minus 3. Then C1 plus 10. Now similarly get A2. A2 is plus 2. B2 is minus 1. C2. There is no number means remember there is 1 is there. Okay, there is no number means remember 1, but don't write the variable. C2 is plus 9. If there is no number, 1 is there. Now get the ratio. A1 by A2. A1 by A2, 6 by 2. Cancel it. 3 by 1. Then B1 by B2. B1 by B2. Minus 3 by minus 1. Cancel it. This is also 1 by 3 by 1, minus get cancelled. If these two are same, then only get the third ratio. Okay, if these two are not same, no need to find the third ratio. Let's get the third ratio. C1 by C2. C1 by C2, 10 by 9. Now, see what kind of relation there? These two ratios are same, but this is not same with these two. That means here, what is the relation? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but it is not equals to C1 by C2. Both. That means what kind of lines is this one? Parallel lines. It is parallel lines. And if you want to draw the graph of this type of lines, then the line is parallel. You will get the graph of this type of equation is parallel. Okay, parallel. They are therefore intersect at any point. Then another name is, it is called inconsistent. inconsistent, and solution name is no solution. Will never get the value of x and y because they are not intersecting at any point. No solutions. Okay. Then by using the concept of these questions, please solve the question number 3. From next session we will start question number 4 because I am requesting all question number 2 and 3 are same. Question number 3 question asks to check whether the given pair of lines is consistent or inconsistent. When you write consistent, when you get the intersection, when you get this relation, then you write consistent, this relation consistent, and this relation inconsistent. Please do that questions by yourself and please comment me whether you got the answer or not. If you need some help, please let me know. Okay, otherwise I will make another video for that questions. Now till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe and keep social distancing and don't forget to use masks when going outside.